house in the neighborhood.
Escobars? These punks, they can't even get out of their own way. It's strictly small fry.
Not anymore.
As I recall, the Escobars have a coke sheet that goes back 4 years that I know of.
I thought those guys were in detention up in Marianne.
Somebody want to check that out?
Luigi, you better tell me, have you seen the Escobars? You sure? You still stealing jewelry? Sure. All right. What are you doing after school?